Hello students, do you remember our previous class? Yes, you are right about nouns, right? And what are the types of nouns that we learned in that chapter? Yes, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and possessive noun, right? And today we are going to start our third chapter, that is what? Countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, let's start our class. Countable and uncountable nouns. We call the nouns that are countable are called countable nouns. A singular noun refers to just one person, animal, thing or place. For example, toy, bus, church, fox. A plural noun represents more than one person, animal, thing or place. For example, toys, buses, churches, foxes. Let us know about the pluralization. Singular, plural, how the plural is formed. Daughter, daughters, by adding s. Class, classes, by adding es to nouns ending s. Brush, brushes, by adding es to nouns ending sh. Watch, watches, by adding es to nouns ending ch. Box, boxes, by adding es to nouns ending x. Potato, potatoes, by adding es to nouns ending o. Piano, pianos, by adding s to nouns ending o. Baby, babies, by changing y to ies. Key, keys, by adding s to some nouns ending y. Leaf, leaves, by changing f to ves. Knife, knives, by changing fe to ves. Roof, roofs, by adding s to some nouns ending f. Safe, safes, by adding s to some nouns ending fe. Tooth, teeth, by changing vowels. Ox, oxen, by adding en. Child, children, by adding ren. Deer, deer. Some nouns have same singular and plural. Let us learn about exceptions. We know that the nouns are divided into singular and plural nouns. We find plural nouns take plural verbs. For example, jeans, knickers, pants, pyjamas, shorts, tights, trousers, pliers, scissors, shears, tongs, sandals, slippers, sneakers, binoculars. We find singular nouns take singular verbs. For example, athletics, economics, gymnastics, linguistics, mathematics, mechanics, news, missiles, mumps, P6 Politics. Let us learn about is or are. We use the singular verb is with singular noun or pronouns such as he, she, it, Ram, Tina. We use the plural verbs are with plural noun or pronoun such as we, they, you, children, police, people. Let us learn about the uncountable nouns. We know that uncountable nouns are amounts of something, that means we cannot count on. For example, sand. See another example. I boil an egg. Countable noun. I like egg. Uncountable noun. Let us see how to differentiate between uncountable and uncountable nouns. Countable noun, uncountable noun. A, an, a few, several, many, some, plenty of, a lot of, a large number of. A little, much, some, plenty, plenty of, a lot of, a large number of, a large amount of, a great deal of. Students, do you understand this chapter? And what are the things we learned in this chapter? Yes, we learned countable nouns. What are countable nouns? These countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. And a singular noun refers to just one person, one animal or one thing. Right? It is a plural noun. A plural noun represents more than one person, animal or thing. Okay? And we learned the rules for pluralization. Then what we learned in this chapter? Yes, we learned about expectations, right? And what is that, students? That is, there are nouns that are always plural. That is, and take a plural verb. That is, exceptions. What? Exceptions. Okay. And what we learned? Yes, we learned how to write or where to write is or are, right? Where we have to use is? Yes, is used with the singular pronouns and are is used with the plural pronouns. Okay, so for plural we have to use are, and for singular one we have to use what? This is. Okay, and then countable nouns. What are countable nouns, students? Yes, we learned that the countable nouns are amounts of something which we cannot count. That is, uncountable nouns. So uncountable nouns are what? Amounts of something which we cannot count. Okay, we can't count that we learned. And next, these are the things we learned in this chapter. We can learn more about in the class that we write the textbook part. Okay, have a nice day.